Hey guys, welcome back to PED 110. This week we are on Chapter 7, Creating Your Total Fitness and Wellness Plan. This is probably my favorite chapter that we cover because it takes all the chapters that we've uh, been over so far and puts it together where you can make it practical for your use now and on down the road throughout life. As I told you, this is kind of a life course with knowledge and skills that you can continue to use well after you're finished with this class. And so with creating your total fitness and wellness plan, you're going to take all the information all the way from chapter 1, understanding fitness and wellness, understanding all the areas that go into living well, not just physical health, but there's so many more factors that you have to consider: mental, emotional, spiritual, social, so forth and so on. And also in chapter 1, we talked about our goal setting and behavior modification. So that's really important for this chapter because obviously if we have a fitness and wellness plan, that's going to involve us having some goals and sticking to it. And so the key here is you finding that intrinsic motivation that keeps you going each day so you can adhere to your total fitness and wellness plan consistently. And so with your fitness and wellness plan, you're going to focus on obviously overall wellness, but specifically with the fitness, you're going to have to make sure that you're incorporating the principles of exercise for health and fitness, such as the FIT principle: frequency, intensity, time, and type, and then also OPS: overload, progression, specificity. And then from there, it's really important that you identify which areas of health-related fitness that you want to focus on. For example, if you're more concerned with body composition, you want to lose some of that body fat, you want to slim down, then that's great, but how are you going to do that? And so that's where your fitness and wellness plan comes in. You're probably going to have to focus on some of these areas as well as being mindful of your diet and nutrition to achieve your goal here. So that's what we're talking about here in Chapter 7. It's business as usual this week. We've got a checklist, our intro video, the PowerPoint, the quiz, your labs, and the physical activity monitoring report. It's kind of crazy to think that we'll be in November by the time most of you submit this. So the semester's flying by. I think we only have 5 or 6 weeks left max. So continue doing a great job. In fact, I think the class average is over a 91. So keep it up. Be mindful of your participation in your submissions because that's how we check attendance. And this late in the year, it's kind of easy to forget, oh, I missed a week back in the early part of the semester, and then you miss another week now. Then we start getting dangerously close to missing too many days, because when we only meet once a week, so to speak, then anything over 2 absences is really excessive. All right, guys, like I said, you're doing great. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Have a great week.